He got hungry. Hungry little monkey. Yeah, you can touch you up too. Okay, where's your shirt? Ready? You ready? You gonna help me? You can get it away from his face because he gets mad. Not his face. Say hi, Peter. Not this one. I remember when I gave you a first bath, you were screaming. You didn't want a bath. All of you cried in the bathtub. Tori took a crap in the bathtub. Okay. There's a finished product. Check out my sneakers. Say, yo, dude, check out this.